It's a little choppy and windy today. All right, let's go. The first week of August, and we're doing a little striper hunting today, maybe a little bass fishing too. We're going up to Sand Cove right now, and first I'm going to try and drift some bluegill, find some beaches, Sand Cove and around there, and then I'm just going to drift around some beaches with some bluegill, and then cast some swim baits and just try some other lures, maybe do a little trolling with the P-line predator with the worm in the back, and just see if we can get into these big locals here that stay in the Sacramento River. A lot of these stripers, they don't go back to the ocean, guys. They stay in the Sacramento River year round, and you can catch striper year round in the Sacramento River. The majority of the striper right now, they're definitely in the ocean, and they're thick in the bays and the delta right now. The delta, you kind of gotta hunt for them and find them. But once you do, you're gonna find a big school and you're gonna be on some nice fish. The bay, they're pretty much flooded in the bay. I'm gonna hit up the delta and the boat one of these days coming up. But also, I'm gonna try and go get some nice big striper surf. I'm gonna try to get some surf perch and some ocean striper from the ocean on the bank there, and see what that's like. You got to have a pretty big gear, somewhere around like a 9-10 foot pole, pretty heavy reel, and just bomb a lure out, either a bucktail or just a big swim bait, something pretty heavy. They get it out there real far and just reel that puppy in, and those fish are in the shallows there in the ocean, just waiting for shiners and shad to come up and feed on them. Alright guys, here's the famous Sand Cove. Right here, Sacramento. Just by the I-5 or the 80 bridge. There's the drop right there. That's why it drops off like crazy right here. 60 feet. Alright, I'm gonna try to troll this right here. There it is, pre-made drifting rig. Got your 2-ounce ball. I think that's a 1-ounce ball with just a really light mono right here. This is about 8 pounds, 6 to 8 pounds right here. And then my main line is 30 pound mono with a 5/0 hook. And then you got your spreader right here. 13 feet of water. 13 to 15 feet. We're just before Sand Cove right now. Just drifting the minnow. Or drifting the bluegill. Alright guys, so when you're drifting, just make sure your line isn't way far back. Make sure your line's just going straight down and bouncing straight down. You know, if it's way back, then it's hooking on stuff and you got too much line out. You need to reel a little bit in. See how it's just straight down? It's probably hard to see it. Just kind of bouncing on that bob. See, it's kind of hooking a little bit now because a little bit out. Just kind of go back, reel it in, and then it kind of comes right back under the pool. Southtown Blue Boat. Bunch of drunks on the water. See the swirl too, guys. See, we're in the swirl right now. Dropping down in the hole. Definitely some fish in here. Come on, baby, bite on it. Thing's bouncing like crazy. Doing its job. 50-foot hole. Alright, what this doesn't do, we'll drift the minnow across this. See if we can hook one of these guys. Are still murky, so need something flashy, colorful. Good color is really important right now. Let's try this guy. Black Death with a flasher. Oh, this swim bait looks pretty good too with the red head. Try one of those. Big old carp. Put some little scent on there. Put a little on the worm. There it is right there, guys. That's the action it's got. Look at that thing. It's about 8 inches underwater right now. That's what it looks like.
My mind on a good weekend, but it ain't here today, so off I go. Got more bills than my check will pay, 100 short and it's due today.
little fox. Dang it. What if I got it? Fuck. Dang, I thought that was a fish. A nice log. Well, you know, if I'm hooking logs like that, I'm going down far enough. We're only around 11 feet right now. That's crazy under this bridge. I thought it'd be deeper than that. I'll have to go try to hit up some of these docks right here. If I can't get a striper, go try to catch some bass on these docks. We're almost to Sand Cove right now. It's right around this bend.